In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Steam profile theme step by step. If you want to give your profile a cleaner look, a different style, or just make your Steam page feel more personal, this is a quick and easy way to do it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Steam in your browser and log into your Steam account. Once you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon or name. From there, select View My Profile. This will take you to your public Steam profile page, where you can manage and customize different parts of your account. Now, on your profile page, click Edit Profile. This is where Steam lets you change your profile information, appearance settings, and theme options. After that, look for the Theme option in the profile editor and click on it. Once the theme page opens, you'll see the available themes you can use for your Steam profile. Take a moment to browse through the options and select the theme that you want. When you find one you like, click to choose it. After selecting your preferred theme, look for the Highlight option. This is where you can make certain parts of your profile stand out depending on the theme settings available to you. Once everything looks the way you want, click Save to apply the changes. Steam will now update your profile with the new theme you selected. After that, you can go back home and view your updated profile to make sure everything was saved correctly. And that's it. You've now changed your Steam profile theme successfully. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how your profile looks. If this video helped you, please give it a like. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.